वेलकम टू सारिका स्टडी एकेडमी। तो आज क्लास 7 का पीरियोडिकल असेसमेंट टेस्ट सोशल साइंस अक्टूबर 2021। तो इसके सॉल्यूशन इस वीडियो में देखेंगे। अगर वीडियो पसंद आता है तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। ठीक है, तो आगे हम सॉल्यूशन देखते हैं। थैंक यू। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं इस वीडियो को। इसमें पीरियोडिकल असेसमेंट टेस्ट सोशल साइंस अक्टूबर 2021 मार्क्स 25 स्टैंडर्ड 7। तो इसमें फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, कंपेयर द एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव सिस्टम ऑफ राजपूत इरा एंड दिल्ली सल्तनत इरा। द आंसर इज द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ राजपूत स्टेट्स was based on caste system. Only the people of the higher caste was associated with the administration. Even the king belonged to this caste. The state was divided into a number of units, each under the control of a mukhya or leader of the dominant caste. Administration during the Delhi Sultanate was based on the law of the Shariat or law of Islam. Political, legal and military authority was vested in the Sultan. Thus military strength was the main factor in succession of throne. Administrative units were Ikta, Sheikh, Paragna and Gram. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन 2A, गिव रीजन्स इल्तुतमिश is considered to be the true founder of the Saul dynasty. The answer is there are three reasons that first, Iltutmish declared himself as the Sultan with the approval of Khalif, whereas the Kutubuddin Aibak was just an average ruler. Iltutmish was the first ruler of slave dynasty to get the Sultan status, which was not given to Kutubuddin Aibak and his son Aram Baksh or Aram Shah. Second, Iltutmish introduced a better or organized Iqtidari system, which was an administration system comparing of Chailgani. He was a powerful ruler. Not only did he marry his daughter but also expanded his empire to a great extent. He was the most capable of all the 10 rulers of Saul dynasty of Mamluk dynasty. Third, Iltutmish was the one who made Delhi as the capital of his empire, before which capital status was given to Lahore. Therefore Delhi was given the adequate importance, after which it is befitting to call it Delhi Sultanate or Empire of Delhi. This is why he is regarded as the real founder of Delhi Sultanate. Question 2B, match the following. Muhammad bin Taghlaq. The answer is D, first Sultan of Delhi Sultanate. Second, Krishna Dev Rai. The answer is B, Tarangi Yojana. Third, Kutubuddin Aibak. The answer is A, founder of slave dynasty. Question 3A, filling the blanks. In first point, Dhaidin ka Jhopda is located in Ajmer city. Second, Alai Darwaza was built in the time of 1311 AD. Question 3B, describe the architecture of the Sultanate period. The answer is the Indo-Islamic architecture manifested the aesthetic heritage of the new sultan that includes both religious and secular structure, while indigenous architecture is tribute, that is the space is spanned by means of beam laid horizontally. The Islamic form is arcuate, whereby arches are used to bridge a space. Question 4a, filling the blanks. In first point, innermost layer of the earth is known as inner core. Second, the place where the vibration starts below the surface is called earthquake center. Question 4b, answer the following questions. First question, what are the inner igneous rock? The answer is there are basically 7 types of igneous rocks texture. They are aphanetic, phaneritic, pegmatitic, porphyritic, vesicular, pyroclastic and glassy. Question 2, where are the rock used? The answer is they are useful for various purpose. First, it helps in making road. Second, it is used in the construction of house and buildings. Third, small stones are used by children in different type of games. Fourth, they are used in fertilizers. Question 3, which minerals are mainly composed in soil layer? The answer is the main mineral constituent of the continental mass are silica and alumina. It is thus called soil. Si means silica and Al alumina. Question 5a, choose the correct options. In first question, the formation of hill like landform is made up of which of the following elements? The answer is glacier. A, glacier. Question 5b, write a short notes. The landform of glacier. Glacier landform are landform created by the action of glaciers. Most of the today's glacial landform were created by the movement of large ice sheet during the quaternary glaciation. Some areas like Fennoscandia and the southern Andes have extensive occurrence of glacial landform. Other areas such as the Sahara display rare and very old fossil glacial landforms. Next question, function of wind. The answer is the wind is the movement of air which depends on the difference in area pressure. In two rains, air moves from the range of high pressure to the range of low pressure in the atmosphere. This difference in air pressure is created by uneven heating और unequal heating on the earth. ठीक है, तो इसी के साथ इस वीडियो में ये असेसमेंट टेस्ट यहीं पे पूरा होता है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय.